Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily update. When I say hi all, welcome back to your channel, people have been saying that they're actually saying it now while they're watching the videos. So it's like a catchphrase I've got, if you like. The reason why I say welcome back to your channel is, if it wasn't for you watching, then this channel wouldn't be anything. The comments, you know, I take every single comment on board, so that's why I say welcome to your channel, because you pretty much control this channel. I just do the filming and the uploading. Okay, so yeah, that's the reason why I say that. Also, I welcome any criticism of the channel as well. I had someone yesterday, it was fine, a little bit of criticism, that I didn't concentrate on certain areas of the ground. All I can say is, this is not like a normal weekly update. This is like, I'm trying to get the latest of what's going on with the roof coming off and all that. So if I do miss stuff, I do apologise. But again, put it in the comments and I'll be sure to concentrate on it, because there's the orange jig around the Kenny side, which I'll go round to in a bit, that people have requested to see. But I want to see what these are up to here first. I don't know if it's more painting going on. But yeah, just thought to get that in. Yeah, I don't know what they're up to there. Okay, no worries. If anyone knows, let me know. There's another cherry picker over. There's a couple of cherry ones. There's quite a few cherry pickers over there. Let me come round here. See what these are up to here. Something going on somewhere in it. Right, also, I don't know how long these videos are going to last for now. It could be 15 minutes, could be half an hour. I do try and get in rounds as fast as I can, and people complain just so I do apologise if I'm not going fast enough or I'm going too fast. I'm just trying to get stuff done. There's that spray painter that looked like a DJ yesterday. Okay. Right, what shall I go to first? Okay, I'll go over the ground first, because there's a crane inside the ground now. Nice and high. Okay, so here's the crane here. It is. Oh yeah. Okay, so let me pinpoint it. There we go. So are these made of steel? Are these made of steel or something? Are they? Iron, whatever. I take it these are tracks for the main cranes to go on. Take the weight. Load spreading, if you like. So yeah, I think that's what these are for. So you got a set there, and I think there's going to be a set going in here. Okay. And that's what the cranes will be going on, I take it. I think that, I was told that 2/3 of the pitch are going to get covered. I'd say that's around 2/3, wouldn't you? So yeah, let me get higher now. I want to get over the copway and point in. It's a bit windy as well, so I'm getting strong wind warnings. I did mention about the seats. Yeah, so there is more seat backs gone in by the looks of it there. Remember I said about the framework going in. Is that seat backs or are they full seats? Full seats. Full seats are in that part now. Now if they now should I put two and two together and say they come down from this section here? Or no, I don't think they have they? No, that seems to be the same. Okay, must be new seats up there. Oh, wait, is that seats there as well? yeah, seat backs are in that side as well now, so that's all the framework that was in. So let me come out a touch. So you got middle, the left hand side, the middle, and the far side now is seats in. Okay. So I'm going to come over the Kennedagle East side now, because there's stuff that I did see it, but I just didn't address it yesterday. So it's the orange thing down here. I've been reliably informed that this is a fabrication jig. So let's zoom in on it, because there's work going on it. So they're making the final front span, which will be going up in this section here. And now that covers something that someone asked, because they asked what the void was between the Kenny stands and the Annie Roads, and I think they meant that this void here, and that's where the front span's going to go. Okay, I want to get back over the pitch. I want to have a good look at what's going on here. So in the car park there's a wagon with a track on it, and it looks like a track to a big crane, which you'll see on the screen now. I've recorded it on my phone. So a good look around the van there with of that track. Yeah, so let's get a good look at these down here. People want to have a look at the brickwork on the main stand side of the Annie Road as well. So I'll get around there in a minute. It's a bit chilly today, very windy. Okay, so I'm going to have a good look across the pitch. If there's anything you're seeing you want to have a closer look at, let me know. Okay, I'm going to just spin around here, sorry. Yeah, there's a wagon on its wheels. That's probably going to get more materials to bring back in from the car park. So I assume you've been working on this all overnight, because that's a lot to have got done. I'm just going to bring it back around now. So that's the orange jig covered. If there's anything else that I've missed that someone may have asked for that I forgot to address, let me know. So when I say in the car park, with all these wagons here, and the track I'm on about. Oh, there's two, sorry, yeah. So there's one there, and so there's two tracks. Now I've been told that they're going to start building this crane tomorrow, or build the cranes tomorrow, start building them on the pitch, and be ready for taking down the roof Saturday. Again, take that with a pinch of salt, it might not be true. So I'm going to come round the main stand side now and get a bit lower and have a look at the brickwork. You see there's lots going on site now, you can hear the noise. So the brickwork is coming right up now. There's the brick he's working hard. Okay. Get a bit higher, we'll have a look on the roof. Just a few people on there. Let's see what's going on. quite a lot of people up there. So yellow jackets and orange jackets. Let's get a good close look on that. So you see right dead centre of the screen there's a gap. They're going to be obviously filling that gap in with a little piece. Can't believe how windy it is today. Right, I'm going to get over them a touch. Let me zoom out so I know exactly what I'm doing. Okay, let's get a good top down view of that. So you what, with that wind going on, these lads have got balls of steel doing this. Look at him wedged in the between the two stands there. Well harnessed on, as you can see. Can you see my drone there just chilling out? So what's going on here? Anyone know what's going on there? What that wire's for? That cabling, metal's for even? Have a good look on the roof. No, it's all going on this side by the looks of it. Let's have a close look at that big yellow crane from this angle here. Okay. Just have a look, quick look what he's doing. Looks like he's bolting in there, doesn't he? Oh no, he's covering the bolts in here with something, like a cap or something. He's capping them. Just the attention to detail and, you know, the painstaking jobs that people get. Look how many he's got to do. Unreal. I'm going to come down a touch now. I'm going to have a look over this way. Is there anything going on the ground? Let's just zoom in a touch. Yeah, there's actually work going on the ground. Okay. Yeah guys, that's about it. So I apologise if I've missed anything. I don't like my videos going on too long, that's the only thing, okay? But there's the pitch covering, there's the crane on the pitch now sorting out. Rusto's laying down the foundation for the big cranes to go on. And you've got these guys working hard on the roof. Brickwork is coming on. Yeah, let's have a look at these here. Oh, they're just chilling out, so leave them alone. So the brickwork coming on this side a lot now. Let me just back up a touch and down and get a better look. Try and get a straight on look at it. Okay. Yeah, the brickwork's coming right up. So I'll leave it there. If you like the video, please subscribe. I'll put a stat on the screen now of I think it's only like 13% of my viewers are subscribed and like 80% are not subscribed. So if you like the video, please subscribe. It really helps me out. Comments and likes are always appreciated. I always say this. It just helps me with the algorithm. It helps the channel grow, and it'll enable me to do bigger and better things in the future. But yeah, consider subscribing and likes and comments. But apart from that guys, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to be back tomorrow. I might do a bonus one in the morning. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do yet, but just keep an eye out in the morning. There might be a video on or something in the morning. So if you want to set the notifications to let you know, then that'd be fine with me. But apart from that, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate everything, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.